Hello everyone! Today, I'll show you how to borrow money from Halifax. First, open your web browser and go to halifax.co.uk. Sign in to your account or explore the site if you're new. From the menu, go to Borrowing. Then select Loans. Here, you can check loan eligibility and use the loan calculator to see how much you can borrow. Make sure you meet the basic requirements: 18 or over, living in the UK, regular income, and no recent credit declines. Once eligible, you can apply for your loan online by filling out the simple application form. After submission, Halifax will review it and guide you through the next steps. And that's it. Borrowing money from Halifax is straightforward when you follow these steps. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.